Are you wanting to change your vehicle to have a single press to unlock all the doors, or maybe you like the double press? Well, I'm going to walk you through how to change this on the dash of your F-150 or other Ford vehicle without having to use a programming tool like ForeScan. Simply in the settings, you just got to dig for it. So I'm going to walk you through how to find it. And I'm posting weekly videos for you guys, so don't forget to smash on that subscribe button for many more videos. All right, let's get into it. So I have a 2015 F-150, and I'm going to be navigating through this selection tool here on the steering wheel in order to change from a single lock to a double lock. The first thing I'm going to do is hit left on the navigation and go down to settings. Then I'm going to go to advanced settings, and under vehicle, I'll go to locks, and I have auto lock and unlock set up, so when you hit park, it'll unlock the doors. If you want to change that for any reason, maybe you're in an unsafe area or you've got kids that you don't want just hopping out of your vehicle, you can change that unlock setting here. I don't think changing the auto lock is a good idea. All right, so go down to remote unlock, and right now it's set to all doors, so we'll change this to driver's door. That's it. So now we'll test it out here. When I hit unlock, I should have to select it twice to unlock all doors, and one press will unlock just the driver door. Now if you're wanting to unlock all doors instead of having to press it twice, then you would just go down and select all doors. So I'm going to click one time. It sounded like only the driver door unlocked. Let's test it out. Doors unlocked. Let's test the tailgate. I didn't hear it. Okay, so it's working. Now let's try the double tap. All right, now I heard the tailgate. Yep, rear doors unlocked now. Okay, so it looks like that setting just on the dash changed how it should. It's as simple as that. And then just back out of the settings and go back to your display. All right, we're all done. Thanks for watching this how-to video on how to change your lock settings on your Ford vehicle from a double to a single or a single to a double. And if you enjoyed this video, please smash on that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content. If you have any questions, please post them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thanks for watching.